I got these new rings when I was in Japan and they're so cute. This one's my favorite. It's just a silver band, but it has these little rhinestones all over. This one has seashells. Look how freaking cute that is. Okay, I'm getting ready to go out to see my friends. We're meeting at 4, but I'm gonna go a little bit earlier because I want to run some errands. And I just wanted to show you guys because I made these little goodie bags for basically all my friends. I'm seeing 3 of them today, so I brought 3 for my K-pop friends. I got this little photo card holder that's Sanrio, and then I have a Clone one. And for my non-K-pop friend, I got a little Kewpie mayo, which I think is just the cutest thing ever. Like, I don't know. The rest of the little goodie bag is a bunch of snacks that I got in Japan. I'm at the arts and crafts store right now. Big one or small one. Acquired. They're animals. I'm having leftover samosa. Today I decided I would film a what I eat in a week, or maybe this is gonna say what I eat in a day, but I don't know. I'm gonna pack myself dinner to have at work, and I thought it would be fun to share what I cook for myself. Yay! Tomato egg for dinner. guys here. Hi everyone. Today I've come to do some blueberry picking with my parents. We're at this beautiful blueberry field, I guess. We came here last year and they really liked it, so they wanted to come again. So let's go. Freaking big this blueberry is. This is really heavy. Oh my gosh. I need to start working out. We got Subway. I found so much stuff. Let's try it all on. Columbia jacket in this like icy gray color. Look at that. Look at that. It feels brand new. I'm so happy I found this. I really needed like a raincoat windbreaker. I already have a maxi skirt like this, but this one's like, mine is black. This one's navy and it has pockets. I don't know if I should get it. Oh my gosh. Hidden pockets. Are we kidding? Oh my gosh. And yo. Oh my god, it fit. Like similar, but the waist is too big. She's kind of cute. Should I get it? I think I'm gonna get it. This one could have been like a cute new Vivian kind of vintage skirt, but it's way too big. We got the bag, guys. We got the bag. So I ordered a cake. I ordered like a bento, like lunchbox cake for Vivian. And I was here to pick it up, but it seems like they forgot my order at home. So the person they're driving here right now, and I'm waiting in their store to get my cake. They gave us cute little postcards. So cute. Whoa. Thank you. We just learned the yoasobi dance. Oh wait, but we can't see our full body from here. Go like my TikTok. Gang.